Hello guys, Naresh here. So in this video we'll be looking on the weekly analysis of major forex pair and gold. So first of all we can come to this forexfactory.com. So in this calendar page we can see the major currency events, like what are the happening events, upcoming events on this week. So on Monday we are having some major events on Euro, and so we can expect some kind of good movement in euro related pairs. And in Tuesday we are having major news on AUD, so we can expect a good amount of movement there. And Wednesday also we are having good a news amount of news even in CAD. So here we are having lot of news in CAD related stuff. And Thursday we are having news on USD and New Zealand. uh, so we can expect good amount of and in Friday also we are having major use in USD. So we can expect good amount of movement in this week. So and be careful on the news as well. Just don't trade on news. So on like in Thursday and all we are having lot of news events, right? So there can be lot of spikes which can hunt your stop loss as well. So be careful on news time, and watch your chart while there's some news happening. Okay, so we can go for trading view right now, and we can see the analysis. Okay, so first pair would be AUD New Zealand, guys. So in 1 day time frame, uh, in major trend is down, and in 1 day time frame also it's in downtrend only. We can see here clearly. So it is in downtrend, and it took a very good replacement, guys. See here. So it is in golden area. See, this is a golden area which is between 50 and 61 percentage retracement. So it took a good amount of retracement and a good level, and it is coming back again. So while if you are going with the lower time frame, we can see here it forms something like channel pattern here. So we can see here we are seeing a channel pattern, this trend line. And and we are also we have also seen some good like bearish candle closing here. So I'm expecting a bearish week, bearish on this pair. So we can go for short entries here, guys. So this is a very important support area, guys. See, we are having multiple touch points here, so it is a very good very important support area. So just wait for the break of the support area, or just wait for the consolidation here a little bit. So you can enter after here, guys, or else just wait for some kind of pullback into this zone. So and you can also see I have made a note here, which is like we are having a 4 hour 200 EMA coming up. You can see here, guys. So this is 4 hour EMA. So basically it can touch this point again, grab some more liquidity and come back again, guys. So we can't make sure which is going to happen. Just wait for the consolidation here. So if it is respecting this level and coming back to this level, you can go for short entry in this area, guys. So that would be for AUD USD, guys. And next pair would be Euro USD, guys. So in Euro USD, if you are going with the longer time frame, it is in downtrend, as you can see it, and it broke this pattern here, which should be like ascending triangle, triangle pattern or channel pattern, which it have broken. And again it is like something like bull trap, guys. So basically it broke out and come again to this level again. So and two things can happen here, guys. So basically this zone is very important. See, lot of supply is here, so we can a lot of demand is here. So major, like it can again take the liquidity and it can move up here. You just make sure whether it is holding this area, which is this point, and making some kind of consolidation or rejection candle, pin bar, or engulfing for hair candle. So if it is making some kind of confirmation in bullish trend, you can go for long entry, guys, and make this as your first target, and this would be your second target, guys. So if it is not sustaining this level and breaking this point, you can for sure go for long short entries, guys, because the major trend, 1 day trend, is in the downside, right? So it is always better to go with the major trend. So I'm expecting, like, if it is breaking this level, you can go short, but there is a higher chance it can retest to this level again. Like, it can happen something like this, like if it can break this and it can come to this level, so this level again, and it can move back. So place the stop loss regarding to that. So that would be for EURUSD, guys. So we are having both side potential here. If it is holding here, and you can go for long entry. If it is breaking here, you can go for short entry, guys. If you're like risk averse trader, you can wait for the pullback to happen. And here we can also see some kind of trend line, like we can draw this trend line something like this. So if you go for 4 hours, so if it is breaking here low, making lower low again, and wait for the pullback to happen to this zone, guys. So if it is again, it is making some kind of bearish pattern, you can go for a short entry, guys, which is really good. So, and we are also having some kind of long patterns also, like bull pattern also here. Okay, so that would be for EURUSD, guys, and next would be GBPJPY, my favorite pair. So if you're going with 1 day time frame, it is in long, but you can see here, guys, it is not able to sustain, like it is not able to make higher high, and it is not able to make a higher low also previously. So it is like, it is very, it is, this zone is very important because it is not able to break this level, and it have broken the support, major support, and it became resistance here. And the momentum is very good, guys. Basically, the potential of this to go down to this zone as well. So we are looking very like bearish on this GBP but we can't enter here because see these kind of stop loss. So just wait for some kind of pullback to this zone, or even this zone, or if it is making some kind of flag and pole pattern, and you can go for short entries, guys. So basically it is in bearish zone, so you can go for short. Just wait for some kind of flag and pole pattern to form, or just wait for pullback to form, and you can use the fips to find the zone, important zone. So here we are having a 38% retracement, which is good. So wait for price to come to this level, and if it is respecting this level, like forming some kind of double top in a smaller time frame, or if it is making a engulfing candle on 4 hour time frame. So if it is giving some kind of confirmation, you can go for short, guys. It is having a very good short opportunity in GBP JPY. And next pair would be GBP USD, guys. So in this GBP USD, if you are going for a longer time frame, so you can see basically it is in low, a lower low, so it is in bearish zone, and downtrend. So you can see here it is forming lower low, and it have also respected this trend line as well. It made a rejection, and it is going down. So it is, we are having a very good opportunity in GBP as well, guys. We will be looking only for short opportunities because we have already broken this major support area, and it formed a lower low at lower low formation, which is like down indication of starting up a downtrend. So we are having a trend line with we can draw a trend line using this 2 points, and we are having down here downtrend, guys. So as we can see here, which is we are having a very good support zone, like demand area. So it can possibly reverse this, come to this area, and make some kind of consolidation. If the momentum is very good, it can basically make a consolidation in this area and drop again, or else you can go for like wait for the pullback to happen, guys. So here we are having some kind of resistance area, so it can pull back to this area, and you can go for short again, guys. So why we are drawing this area? See how important it is. Like it is multiple touch point. Here we are having support, and made here it become resistance in this area, and Again we are seeing this same area guys, which is a resistance area. So it will be a very good short entry if it is the price is coming to this price. So you can go for short in this guys. So we are having two outlooks on this. If it is making some kind of flag and pole pattern, you can go for short, or if it is pull backing to this area, you can go for short again guys. So next would be USD CAD guys. So in USD CAD, in a one day time frame, we can see it is in proper uptrend, and it also respected this trend line as well, as we have seen in last forecast. So it is going up. It has formed some kind of base in this area, and it is going up. But we are not confirmed yet guys. Always, as we I have already told you, always give importance to lower time frame. Like, see here, in lower time frame it is forming lower low, in higher time frame it is forming higher high. So it is not confirmed yet guys. It haven't broken this higher high, like higher high. So it is still in my point of view, it is in still in downtrend guys. So, and we can see here it is a very good head and shoulder pattern. And I'm potentially looking for short entries in this in short term. See, we can go for short entries in this supply area guys. So we are having very good amount of supply here. And so I have also mentioned bookmarked here that we are having a 4-hour 200 EMA waiting. So if we are seeing, like, this is a very good short entry guys, because basically 4-hour 200 EM is very good. It will act as proper support and resistance. So you can go look for short entries while it is hitting here, and it when basically you can take this as your target. But in long term, I'm looking bullish on this guys. So it can again come go here and retest to this area, and it can pull back to longer long guys. So we are having two setups here. So we can look for short entries in this zone. If it is not holding this area, it can go up, so I'm not interested in that. If it is not holding, and if it is making some kind of pattern and breaking down, you can look for short entry and take this as your target guys. And again, if it is making some kind of pattern formation in this area, something like some consolidation or double bottom, you can look for long entries guys. So that would be for USD CAD guys, and next pair would be New Zealand USD guys. So New Zealand USD, you can see here. So this would be a major trend line support area, and it took the support from here, and it formed something like flag and pole pattern guys. So it formed some channel kind of pattern for a long time, and it have already broken this channel as well guys. So we can't enter directly here, because in longer time frame, basically mostly it will retest to this area, or to this area, to the channel area, and then it will go for down drop. It will make drop guys. So in here I'm looking for short entries guys. So wait for some kind of double top to form here, or some kind of confirmation in bearish thing, and you can enter here guys, or else you can go for short entries in here, which is a very good area. And if we are pulling the fib, it is a 50% retracement, which is very good indication of it should be a very good opportunity to go for short guys. So I'm looking for short guys in New Zealand USD. And if and this would be very important, as we can see here, it is a very good support area. So be careful in this. Make this as your first target, and partial take if you're entering here, make this as your first target, and take your partial profit here. And or else, if the market is directly going down like abruptly, and you can go for a short only after retest guys. So just don't enter if it is forming something like this, like violent move. Wait for some kind of retest, and go for short entries guys. So that would be for NZD USD. And next would be USD Swiss guys. So in for USD Swiss in 1 day time frame, it is in a very choppy zone. I'm not interested in choppies because you will be having some kind of analysis like it is forming lower low and it should go low, but while it is in choppy or range bound market, it can just hit your stop loss and it will move down. So I'm not at all interested in this, but if you're still looking for this opportunity in USD Swiss, you can go for short entries in this area, because you can see here how violent, how bears are in power, the size of the candle, and how big the candle size of for bears. So bear candles. So you can look for short entries in this area, and you can go target this as your profit zone. But I'm not suggesting you until unless it is breaking this area and make some kind of retest to this zone and dropping. So choppy is not good guys, so protect your capital, that's important for us. So next would be USD JPY. So in USD JPY, if you can see, it is an uptrend, put uptrend, and it came to very important support area guys. So wait for the like if it is sustaining this area and moving up, you can go for long entries, which will be very good, and we can even take this as your first target guys, which should be a very good opportunity to take. And if it is not sustaining this zone, you can go for short entries and you can take this as your target. But the major trend is up guys, so don't expect much in short entries. But if you are going for long, we are having a good amount of potential, so always go with the trend. I'm preferring you to go with the trend guys. But if it is not sustaining this area, see how good it formed a pin bar guys, so it is very important zone. So if it is sustaining and moving up, forming some kind of bullish pattern, you can go for long. If it is not sustaining and it is coming down, you can take this as your target guys. So that would be for USD JPY. And for gold in 1 day time frame, for sure, you can see by seeing this, you can understand it is an uptrend. It is forming high formation. And if you're dropping to 4 hour time frame, like it broke this pattern, which is kind of a head and shoulder pattern, and it is in retest zone. As we know, like gold is more volatile guys, so it it won't go directly like from here to here after retesting here. Always gold will pull back to this kind of zone, like try to get more liquidity. So wait for some kind of pattern to form here, like if it is a triangle pattern, if it is going something like this, and if it is breaking, you can go for long. Or else if it is not sustaining this area and if it is coming to this area, so you can go for potential long entries guys. That would be for this week for round gold. So you can only look for long entries, not short entries guys. And last would be BTC guys, or Bitcoin. So we can see it is in bearish zone. You can see how deep it have retraced. So like drop, it is already dropped 50%. But we can expect even more drop guys, because Bitcoin is so volatile, we can't expect what will happen. But as we can see, it is still in downtrend. And you can go for potential short in this area, which should be, I have already bookmarked here, and it is a fifth zone and trend line resistance. So if it is forming some kind of flag and pole pattern to and coming to this area, you can go for short here and take this as your target, which will be important zone guys. So it will be important support zone, and you can go only for short and is far now, and wait for some kind of pattern to form in this zone, like some kind of double bottom or inverted head and shoulder. For now, for short term period, it is still in bearish zone. It can retest to this zone and it can drop guys, so you can look for short entries. And as we can see here, we're also having 50% retestment in this area, which is really good. So you can look for short entries in this guys. So that would be forecast for this week, guys, and have a great week and be safe while trading. Don't over leverage, guys. So make like always maintain your risk appetite and trade safe, guys. So hope you will be having a great week. Thank you. Bye.